आई वॉज जस्ट एलर्जी हो रही थी, इरिटेशन हो रही थी आँख में. What the look looks like. All ready and prepped up. आपसे बात करने के लिए जैसा yeah. To begin with, what did I do? So, like I said, Saturday I couldn't shoot for my video, and the reason being that I brought like from shopping. So I got some nice perfumes, lot of them, these perfumes. So like I said, it's summers, and summers you get too sweaty. If you will wait for or you delay the action, you will never do the action. Feeling लेके क्या करोगे? हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू अपराजिता टेल व्लॉग. सो आज मैं संडे व्लॉग की शुरुआत कर रही हूँ. बाहर काफ़ी ज़्यादा धूप निकल आई है और गर्मी भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. सो काफ़ी स्वेटिंग हो रही है. बट एनी हाउ, आपकी होस्ट और घोस्ट होस्ट और दोस्त रेडी है आपसे बात करने के लिए. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट द looks like. All ready and prepped up. आपसे बात करने के लिए जैसा कि मैंने प्रॉमिस किया है कि एवरी संडे और सैटरडे मैं ट्राई करूँगी कि मैं आप लोगों से बात कर पाऊँ. सो आई एम जस्ट एज एक्साइटेड एज यू आर फॉर दी संडे. सो लेट्स बिगिन आवर टॉक. सो टू बिगिन विथ संडे को मैं क्या कर रही थी, तो कुछ नहीं कर रही थी. सो ये चेंजिंग सीज़न है, तो उसकी वजह से मुझे थोड़ा सा लाइक चेंजिंग सीज़न में आई डोंट नो व्हाई, बट मेरा जो साइनस है अभी लास्ट ईयर से ही मुझे ये भी पता चला है कि मुझे साइनस है. तो आई वॉज जस्ट एलर्जी हो रही थी, इरिटेशन हो रही थी आँख में, नोज़ में, थ्रोट में. सो आई वॉज टेकिंग medicines and everything, and every changing season you will find ये anyhow होता रहता है. So my body is just getting used to it. So the weather is fluctuating and it affects me. Moreover, it started affecting me more. Now this is a nice sari, and this is a nice stuff that I bought long time back. अभी recent buy नहीं है ये. It's a long time that I brought this stuff. But anyhow, it just thought of wearing it. And to begin with, on my Sunday, like I said, that my sinus अभी काफ़ी better है. But otherwise it does affecting me. So yeah, to begin with, what did I do? So like I said, Saturday I couldn't shoot for my video, and the reason being मैं क्यों नहीं शूट कर पाई, was just मन नहीं किया. नहीं करता ना कई बार मन काम करने का या कोई भी चीज़ आप अगर बहुत रेगुलरली डिसिप्लिन के साथ अगर कर रहे हैं ना, तो ओवर द टाइम पीरियड बोरियत आने लगती है उस रूटीन में ना. तो थोड़ा सा उसको चेंज करना जो है अच्छा होता है. सो आई जस्ट थॉट मे बी आई डू इट. सो आई वेंट आउट विथ माई फ्रेंड, आई डिड सम शॉपिंग. आई शो यू सम स्टफ दैट आई ब्रॉट like from shopping. So I got some nice perfumes, lot of them, these perfumes. So like I said, it's summers, and summers you get too sweaty. I at least get too sweaty. So these perfumes are really nice. Like I said, they are in different shades. So some is fruity, some is citrus, some is mix of refreshing, but they are anyhow refreshing. So you can try this. I have brought it from Studio West, so you can try any of these if you want. So this one, I think since it's yellow, it's a citrus one, so you can, yeah, it's nice. It's a citrus perfume smelling like lemonade. And ouch, ढक्कन गया इसका. This one is also something mix of that. Yeah, so you can try these shades if you want. These are nice perfume which will help you to feel refreshing in summers. These are few nail polish that I have brought. Blue shades of blue, more shades of blue. So I just love these shades of blue. So this is the update what I went for shopping. It's hot. Yeah, it's hot, and this sari is making me feel even more hotter. Like, yeah, it's too summery, so just feeling a bit hot. And also few things for you. So what I have learned, कोई भी चीज़ करनी हो ना तो पहले वो चीज़ कर लो, उसके बाद सोचना वो चीज़ करके कैसा फील हुआ. पहले ही फील करके ये क्या लगेगा उस चीज़ को करके इज़ नॉट अ गुड आइडिया. डू द थिंग एंड देन यू फील हाउ डज इट फेल्ट लाइक. This is one of the things that I'm learning. So let's say if I want to shoot my video, I shoot the video and then think कि कैसा फील हुआ. इससे अदरवाइज रादर देन थिंकिंग कि मैं पहले ही सोच लूँ कि वीडियो शूट करके क्या ही होगा, तो विच वे आई विल डिले द एक्शन. सो योर एक्शन शुड बी क्विक. You should do the action. You do, because we never feel mentally prepared to do something, and we always procrastinate and delay it. So it's a good idea to do this stuff and then feel how it's. So if you want to read a book, don't think how feeling the book would look like. Just read a book and finish it off, and then think of how does it feel like, and so. So just one learning for the day, that yeah, it's summers. Something refreshing for you, something nice to make yourself happy. It can be anything. Nail polish makes me happy, so I just bought. I don't know whether I'll put it or not, but it made me happy buying these small cute little stuff, so it just felt really nice. And the last one which I told you, that do the action before and feel it later. If you will wait for or you delay the action, you will never do the action. फीलिंग लेके क्या करोगे? फीलिंग तो कभी ऐसी है ना कि सेटल नहीं होने वाली. सो डू द एक्शन एंड देन यू वांट टू रीड अ बुक, डोंट थिंक यू वुड वांट टू रीड अ बुक. रीड द बुक, फिनिश इट ऑफ एंड फील इट. हाउ डज इट फील? You want to shoot for your YouTube channel, for your video, shoot the video and then think how does it feel like. You want to go for a shopping, just go for the shopping, do the shopping and come back. How does it feel like? And XYZ, anything that you want to do, aggravate the action, make it quick, and then feel how does it feel. More actions, more feelings, and it will be a better way to deal with life. And that's it from Aparajita Tales blog. I'm keeping it short. It's Sunday, it's hot, it's summers. Now it will be even more difficult for me to shoot videos. You see, in a while this sun is making me very, very hot. But that's it, short and crisp from Aparajita Tales. Do check me out for next week. Hopefully I'll bring some nice content. Be happy, be joyous, enjoy your life, go for a coffee, go for a walk, listen to a song, feel good, do whatever makes you happy. Feel that spark, feel that ignite, feel that soul stuff that you want to do. Don't make it mechanical, don't make it artificial, don't make like your life it's a rut, repetitive and the same stuff. Make it sparkling and more stronger as you can. So thank you very much for watching Aparajita Tale Vlogs, and this is what my look is. This is sari that I got long way time. This also I got long way back, but anyhow, thank you so very much for watching Aparajita Tale Vlog. Bye.